Hello, Tig Tigers. Today's math warm-up is another Esti-Mystery, where estimation meets math mysteries. And again, these activities come to us from Steve Wyborny and his website. Today we are doing mystery number 309, Erasing Numbers. Remember, you need something to write with and something to write on for these activities so that you can write down your estimate, do some math, make some changes as you need to. And today we're going to be talking about multiples of 7. So if you don't have those memorized, if you don't really have a good idea of what the multiples of 7 are, then you want to go get a multiplication chart or take some time to write out the multiples of 7 for yourself so that you can use that for the clues. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. How many erasers are in the vase? Now, I know it says in the vase. It's talking about these up here too. How many erasers are in that vase? As the clues appear, use the information to narrow the possibilities to a smaller set. After each clue, use estimation again to determine which of the remaining answers is the most reasonable. Now write down your first estimate. Write down how many you think there are. And then after each clue, you'll see if your estimate is still a possibility. After each clue, if it is no longer possible, write down a new estimate and be prepared to explain why you chose it. You're either going to write down really quick why you think your estimate is correct, take a picture of it, send it to your teacher, or if she has a Flipgrid account set up, then you can take a video of yourself explaining it and upload it there. Okay, so you have your first estimate written down? Awesome. Let's go ahead and get started with our clues. Clue number 1. The answer is less than 200. So if you had over 200, you're going to want to make some adjustments here. Clue number 2. The answer does not include the digits 7, 8, 9, or 0. Clue number 3. The answer is 100 more than a multiple of 7. It is 100 more than a multiple of 7. So like I said, we're going to need those multiples of 7. So take a look at those multiples and add 100 to them. What do you think is the most reasonable, fitting these other clues? Clue number 4, the answer does not include the digit represented by the die. So it does not include this digit. The answer is an even number. Remember which place you look at to tell if a number is even or not or odd? What digits make it even? Remember, your answer has to fit all of these clues. It is less than 200. It does not include the digits 7, 8, 9, or 0. It is 100 more than a multiple of 7. It does not include the digit represented by the die, this one, and it is even. Okay, you ready? After seeing the clues, you have narrowed the possibilities to a small set of numbers. Now, before we see the answer, you're going to select your final estimate, write it down, and explain in writing or in a video why you chose that number. Okay, and here's our answer. Ding! 114 erasers. There are 114 erasers in that jar. See, 14 is a multiple of 7, and 114 is 100 more than that. So I hope you had fun with our activity today. How close were you? Are you getting better at estimating? Because the whole point is so that we are getting better and better at being able to tell how many things there are. All right. Enjoy the rest of your math today. Have a great day, Tigers.